Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide files or folders on a Windows computer. So let's get right into it. Here's a folder on my desktop we are going to hide. Simply right-click on the folder, choose Properties, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, select the folder and press Alt-Enter together to open the Properties window directly. In the Properties window, find the hidden option under Attributes. Check this box, then click OK. The folder will now be hidden from view, though it's still there, just invisible. So we have just covered how to hide a folder, but if you are wondering about files, the steps are exactly the same. Now to view our hidden folder, open File Explorer from the taskbar or use the keyboard shortcut Windows E. Now navigate to the View tab, choose Show and then select Hidden Items. Our folder will reappear slightly transparent, indicating its hidden status. And so that's how you hide files or folders on your Windows computer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.